Lip pain, main causes and treatment. Lip pain can stem from various causes, ranging from minor environmental irritation to underlying medical conditions. The most common causes include environmental factors like cold, dry, or sunny weather, as well as injury, infection, and allergies. Key causes of lip pain are chapped or cracked lips or cheilitis. Chapped lips or cheilitis occur when delicate lip skin becomes dry, inflamed, or cracked due to low humidity, cold wind, dehydration, or habitual licking. Licking provides temporary relief but causes a wet-dry cycle that breaks down the skin barrier, often worsening the dryness. Other causes include breathing through the mouth, sun exposure, and vitamin deficiencies. Treatment involves regular application of balm containing beeswax or petroleum, staying hydrated, using a humidifier, and avoiding picking. Persistent cracking or bleeding may require medical attention to rule out infections or nutrient deficiencies. Cold sores or herpes simplex virus. Cold sores or fever blisters are small, painful, fluid-filled blisters caused by the highly contagious herpes simplex virus, or usually HSV1, often preceded by tingling, burning, or itching. They typically appear on or around the lips, triggered by stress, sunlight, or illness. They last 5 to 10 days with the fluid containing active virus particles. While no cure exists, over-the-counter creams or antiviral medications can shorten the duration if used early. They spread via direct contact, such as kissing or sharing items. Angular cheilitis. Angular cheilitis is a common, non-contagious, inflammatory condition causing painful, red, and cracked patches at the mouth's corners, often called pearlis. It stems from saliva accumulating in corners, fostering fungal, candida, or bacterial infections. Common triggers include dry skin, ill-fitting dentures, and nutrient deficiencies. Symptoms range from mild irritation to bleeding, fissures. Treatment typically involves antifungal or antibacterial creams, improved lip hydration, and sometimes dental adjustments. Symptoms: redness, cracking, swelling, and crusting. Causes: saliva buildup, bacteria or yeast infections. Treatment: antifungal or antibacterial creams. Allergic reactions or contact dermatitis. Allergic contact dermatitis of the mouth and lips often presents as cheilitis, dry, cracked or swollen lips. Reactions are typically triggered by ingredients like cinnamaldehyde for flavoring, fragrances, or preservatives in toothpaste, lip balm, and mouthwash. Symptoms include swelling, tingling, immediate swelling or urticaria, or delayed swelling and burning. Pain, soreness, blisters, peeling, and discomfort in the mouth or on the gums. Rashes, red, flaky rashes around the mouth, or perioral eczema. Common causes include lipstick, food, and dental products. Treatment requires identifying the culprit and avoiding it, often with the help of a dermatologist or dentist. Trauma and injury. Trauma to the oral mucosa, including lip biting, hot food burns, and abrasions from orthodontics or dentures. often causes painful traumatic ulcers. These injuries frequently occur on the lips, tongue, or cheeks due to physical or thermal damage. Management: burns or bite. Rinse with warm salt water. Apply ice and avoid acidic and spicy foods to promote healing. Braces: use orthodontic wax to cover sharp brackets and reduce friction. Dentures: ensure proper fitting by a dentist, as ill-fitting appliances cause chronic rubbing. Most mild soft tissue injuries heal within 7 to 14 days, though persistent sores require dental evaluation. Vitamin deficiencies: lip inflammation, specifically angular cheilitis, cracks at mouth corners, or general dryness is often a sign of nutritional deficiencies. Lacking vitamin B2 or riboflavin is a leading cause, causing sore, swollen, and cracked lips. Deficiencies in other B vitamins, including folate or B9, B6, and B12, also contribute. Furthermore, iron deficiency anemia can cause pale, cracked lips and inflammation. These conditions can often be treated by increasing dietary intake of nutrients found in eggs, leafy greens, and meat, or through supplements under medical guidance. Other potential causes: sunburn. Constant sun exposure can cause painful, irritated, and dry lips. Mucocele, a harmless, fluid-filled cyst that forms on the inside of the lip due to a damaged salivary gland. Autoimmune disorders. Conditions like lupus may cause lip sores. Skin conditions: eczema, likely atopic dermatitis, can occur on the lips. Precancerous lesions. Actinic cheilitis is caused by long-term sun exposure. When to seek medical attention: seek immediate medical care if lip pain is accompanied by severe swelling, difficulty breathing, or hives, as this could indicate a severe allergic reaction or anaphylaxis. A doctor should also be consulted if the lip sore does not heal within 2 weeks or seems infected.